Would you like to work in the field of applied biology? Are you both logical and analytical when faced with a problem? Have you the ability to think creatively? Do you have a strong sense of ethics? If you've said yes to these questions, the occupation of biotechnologist might be the one for you. Biotechnologists are scientists who study and manipulate biological molecules using molecular biology techniques. These scientists study the chemical, genetic and physical traits of cells, tissues and organisms. They find practical applications for this knowledge. Biotechnologists usually work in laboratories in a variety of different industries. These include the pharmaceutical, environmental control, waste management, energy, food processing and bioprocessing industries. Irrespective of where they work, biotechnologists generally design and implement research studies. While biotechnologists use some standard laboratory equipment, often their research is carried out with the aid of sophisticated computerized equipment which is capable of performing highly complex and specialized tests in a relatively short space of time. The applications of biotechnology are widespread. Biotechnologists working in industrial biotechnology may research ways to clone and produce enzymes which are used in the manufacture of food and beverages. Biotechnologists working in agriculture may research ways to improve animal feed. Some may research ways to genetically modify crops to make them more resistant to pests or to increase productivity. Other biotechnologists focus on environmental biotechnology. They may research and develop bacteria that can digest toxins that pollute land or water. There are others who research ways to produce environmentally friendly raw materials, such as biodegradable plastics from plant starches. Research on alternative energy sources, such as biodiesel, is also ongoing. Medical biotechnology is an important field. Here, biotechnologists research ways to use stem cells to grow new cells to replace damaged organs or tissues. Some biotechnologists focus on genetic defects in cells and how to correct these. Others study how diseases occur or why some cells develop into cancer cells. They carry out research to find new ways to treat diseases such as cancer. The way biotechnologists have mapped the genomes of living organisms is changing the approach to many medical conditions. Those working in biotherapeutics focus on developing therapies, vaccines or hormones to treat the cause of various diseases. Biotechnologists may work with hazardous chemicals and biological material. They are often required to wear protective clothing. The minimum education requirement for this occupation is a university undergraduate degree in microbiology, chemistry, or other relevant life science subjects. With an undergraduate degree level qualification, graduates can expect to work as a research assistant in a range of industries. Some may work in a manufacturing environment. However, most positions are in research and therefore require postgraduate studies. Progression will therefore depend on the level of education achieved as well as experience. Master's level biotechnologists may lead a team working on a research project or work as a laboratory manager. Doctorate level candidates may progress to head research scientist positions or that of laboratory director. There are often options to move into executive management or marketing management positions as well.